tree. No, you in the house roof, not in the tree.
I'm in the garden.
And you in the garden.
Yeah, I'm in the garden and there are apple trees behind me.
You're a tree hiding, yeah?
Yeah, I'm hiding from you in the garden.
But this is so scary, Ray. Go in our
Well,
home. I'm not
Ray.
scared because it's just